Hello. Hang on, I haven't said hello there yet. Well, hello there. It's Beards and Bangers. And today I'm at AJF Motor Engineers with young Austin. There's young Austin.
Hello.
Adrian's over there somewhere, but we won't get him on camera. And the Austin Heavy 12, because hopefully we're going to do this. Welcome to Beards and Bangers. Right, go on, Austin, while you're eating your cake. Now, this was starting. Now I've got the camera out, it's not going to start. So you've got to get the gas on, you've got to get the ignition between advance and retard to get it right. You've got a little switch down there with M and D on it, so oh, it just tried to start. And of course we've got the little starter button on the floor. So Austin's just we're gonna put some fuel in it. So we're going to put fuel directly into the car. I have just got 4 gallons of petrol. Right, so he's just going to put a little bit of fuel straight into the float chamber. Look at that lovely carb. They've cleaned it up for me. Looks absolutely lovely. But isn't that a beautiful brass carburettor? So kind of no much introductions. They got it running yesterday, so it's today's Saturday. We'll see if it will actually spring into life now. And you can hear this engine. It does sound quite sweet, actually. Right, it coughed, so it's been doing that a little bit. Go on, Austin. And Austin as well. Dripping?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that. Oh, I reckon that union...
It might be flooded now.
Is that actually sucking fuel up from the tank then? Could be, that's why it's leaking. I don't know. We haven't actually found out if it's blocked yet.
Okay. So we've got a bit of a drip, you probably can just about see it. There's a bit of a drip down there. So it could be that little nut just behind the carb there needs tightening up. So we'll have a fiddle with that in a sec. Right, we just got distracted by a Leyland Princess turning up. So Austin's just put a little bit more fuel in the float. And we'll see if it turns over. It's definitely wanting to go. It's coughing.
Come on, Bill.
For that roof.
Don't want to cough this time. Right.
Is battery cleared?
So they're going to have another try now. Oh, nearly. Try him. It's pissing fuel out the back of the carb.
It's actually pulling it up now.
Shouldn't be, 'cause it's turned off.
What?
The fuel at the minute.
That's a lot of fuel dripping down there.
I was doing it yesterday.
Ooh, so close.
Off.
Nearly.
Right, flooded it.
Wants to, doesn't it?
Started better than this yesterday.
I think all the fuel putting in.
Ooh.
Unless the head's cracked and it's going down into the bores as well.
So it was running, but unfortunately that's the bit I've not got on video. But I will put a clip on my social media thing. So we will revisit the old Austin another day and hope we can actually take it out for a drive, which would be really nice. But we've snatched victory from the jaws of defeat. So Graham's just done a few adjustments. Apologies for the sound. I had to grab the camera real quick, so I haven't got the microphones, but who cares? This is a 95-year-old engine you're about to hear it springing into life. Just put some fuel in the tank.
Seen Graham so excited.
Yeah. This is going to be on YouTube. Oh. We've got good oil pressure. The smell is absolutely superb. It sounds amazing. So I thought we were going to have to abandon this for today, but it's running, and we reckon it's the vacuum pump for the fuel, and we reckon it's drawing fuel from the tank, and it's not misfiring, which is an absolutely cracking result. You'll probably notice there's a bit of a weed with coolant on the heads here. There is a crack in it, but we actually drove it like that for a number of years, so it should be alright. So you thought this was not going to happen today. So did I have to be honest. Oh,
A second, mate, just brilliant.
you can pull off in seconds. Listen to that sound. So it hasn't quite got full power yet, but it's sounding more like it used to. It's that lovely whine in second gear, and you can pull off in second gear in these because the engine is so torquey. But the old Austin Heavy 12 is moving. We'll just try and do a little tour around Westcott Venture Park. We'll keep it in second because I don't think we're going to get out of second. So what they're going to do is just adjust the timing slightly because you've got these advance and retard controls on the timing here. and that this should be about there, but if I put it there, it just loses all power. Not that it's got much anyway, but it is way better than it was this time yesterday, which is, I'm just so pleased. And just seeing the boys at AJF, Adrian's smiling away, Austin's, who's holding the camera, is smiling away, Graham's smiling. Everyone's smiling. We've just driven past the gardener and he looks happy, because people just love seeing old cars like this, and I'm properly smiling as well. This isn't a fake smile for YouTube. Got no power at all, but who cares? We are getting a bit of smoke from the exhaust. It's a bit of a blow in there, but we shan't worry too much about that. So there we are. So we're going to do some adjustments to this car, and then we might possibly be able to do a proper test drive review of it, which will be a little bit different to the normal reviews that I do. So I am really pleased. Austin's smiling, Adrian's smiling, Graham's smiling. We're just absolutely thrilled that this thing, okay, it's not running perfectly, but it's the first time it's run properly in a little while, which is, yeah, we didn't have to push it in this garage, so it drove in under its own steam. I'm made up, I really am. So I'm going to get the guys at AJF they're going to obviously just fiddle around with the timing, to do some other bits and bobs. It obviously needs an oil change. It's got treacle in the sump. But well done AJF, especially Graham, I have to say, and brilliant. So keep your eyes out for more content. We're going to get more content on this car. It's going to be at the Chiltern Hills Rally. It'll be at a village carnival in Buckinghamshire a little bit later in the year as well. Then we're going to sell it. But how great, it's moved under its own steam. Really made up. If you want to see what happens with this car, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, tell your friends about it. And I'll see you again. This time I am ending the video very soon on the next episode of Beards and Bangers. Goodbye.